everyone and welcome. It's gonna be a rather short video today because I had some specialists over here that finally fixed my chimneys, the one for the hood and the one for the stove. Come on and see. And yes, I have a new cameraman. What they did was finally put the chimneys through the roof, and it's isolated over there so that rainwater does not fall down and cause problems on the terrace. And right now what we're going to do is seal off the hood, and then it's going to be barbecue time. Here you go. Right now I'm going to seal this between the hood and the bricks. Mai bine pregătește și mie niște. Okay, so the job is partially done because I ran out of silicone. No, that's not all the silicone I had. That is all the silicone I had. And a bit more is coming next time so that it's finished. But right now, we're getting ready for the first barbecue in here. So, wish us luck. I'll make another video after the pause just to see if everything is running. Alright, see you in a few. Bye! So, the fire is going, and the smoke is going up the chimney. Oh yeah, and we have another fire going there. This is just a small fire just to burn everything, to make sure that every one of the seals up there is airtight, because even though you can see light, because that's the way it should be, but there are some things that have been glued there with special tape, and it's better activated at heat. So we're just making a small fire to heat it up a little bit and have it seal and do that. I'm gonna take you quickly outside and around to see how everything goes from the chimneys. As you can see, they are both working. I'm hoping that camera captures everything. All the smoke is coming out of the desired places, as it should be. So yes, I consider this a victory. Hallelujah! Can't wait to get this barbecue going. Alright, so I have a working barbecue now, and I am so happy. I cannot even explain how happy I am right now. But that is the end for today. It was a rather short day, not much work was done. We just cleaned up a bit. Actually there was one thing we did. Well, we, meaning my wife, she added a few more areas to the garden, flower beds, so that is looking rather fine as well. And of course, the barbecue is ready and functional. So again, thank you all for checking out this video, and bell works, like, subscribe, the stuff. Hey, bye bye.